I feel like I need to dance. And Kona wants to dance too. Cones, join mama. Cause today is the last day and I did it. I reached a goal. Thank the Lord. Because I do not want to keep doing this every day on video. Hi. If you are just joining me for the very first time, you missed 30 other videos about this. But you want to go back and watch them because you're going to learn something, maybe about skincare, maybe about yourself, maybe about me. But if you're new here, my name is Danny. And I am bad to the blonde. What's up? Thanks. I kind of just took a nap at 10 a.m. I woke up and felt like I just wanted to go back to bed for a bit. It's not great. So, I want to change this a bit. All right, that's a little more up close and personal. I kind of put this cute outfit on today. And that's that. So I use my cat's claw stand for a desk at the moment. Because my husband kicked me out of our house with no furniture, so that's cool. Super cool. Yeah, okay. I just rinsed off quick. It was not a hair washing day. And if you are new here, as I'm Miss Scatterbrained, I bought this box of 30 treatments, and then I had one packet left from a 5-pack that I wanted to try, and my goal was to glow. Why did I just come up with that after 31 days of this? So I have melasma, and I was told this could help treat this amongst giving other benefits to great skin if I committed to doing this every day. So I have for 31 days. I wanted to do a product test legit, and I am super happy with the results. And I almost wonder if I were to keep doing this, how this one would react. And I bet that scar would go away. If you are looking to do anything for your skin, let it be this. I'm so happy that I did this. This, for 31 days of doing this, it really flew by. My skin has never felt softer. It is even. If I touch it, I don't have grooves, ridges. I notice the lines around my eyes have somewhat faded. I am 33 years old, born and raised in Minnesota, and I currently reside in Phoenix. So my skin has taken a beating from the sun of the north bouncing off the snow, and the sun here burning me from the inside out. These wipes are worth it. I will leave a link in the description below to purchase. Please use my links so I get a commission, so this can be my job. Skincare is really important to me. I have fallen in love with it with no desire to be an esthetician. I just want to be pretty. Didn't Marilyn Monroe say that? I think she did. This 2-step process says it takes 2 minutes. If you've watched all these videos, they don't take 2 minutes. I would say give yourself a solid 5 to go through the process, the 1-2. Oh, I'm so excited to start other things, like a fitness routine. That'd be great. This has given me something to do, something to, I don't know, commit to, watch for changes, all the things. I'm feeling it. I will be buying another box of those, 100%. Dennis Gross, you stole my heart. I'm addicted to these. I love microneedling. It is my favorite medical skincare treatment, but I needed something that I could do at home that was cheaper, faster, and no downtime. For this being called a peel, I have not peeled. I have not noticed any flakiness, dryness, anything, which is really weird. My skin is not sensitive. I would say that it's normal to dry. But I have done every type of peel, VI peel. You peel like a lizard. If you've ever done one of those, do one. If you love them, keep doing them. But this is a great daily version if you are trying to be young, pretty, and awesome. And if there are any men watching this, guys, take care of your skin. All right? It's not just the lady, you know? We all got a face. We all get wrinkles. We all age. We all want to look good, you know? This wipe I love because it is so moist. And there's a lot of, this wipe is always so wet. I literally feel like I could do my whole body with this one wipe. That's how wet it is. Not sure why the first one isn't the same, but. So yeah, I've done my neck kind of every other day. Just because I wear a lot of tank tops, sports bras, I walk the dogs, all that. I didn't want to burn my chest because I don't wear sunscreen like ever. I wear it in my makeup, but not all over my body. I'm not really one to put like lotion on, and I should. Maybe that can be my next goal. So step one, super easy. Takes a couple minutes. It does not take 2 minutes. I think the packaging lies to you in that sense. But I am sold. This is one of my favorite treatments for melasma. Hands down. This works. It does. This works for a lot of things, not just patches, dark spots, but obviously your texture. If you want makeup to apply like cake, get that cake face. You need this. So the one thing I need to start working on now is my eye area and taking better care of that. I'm so excited that I did this. Like, this is so cool. A lot of waste. The only thing I hate about this is the waste. That's it. Otherwise it works. You can use this AM and PM. I cannot even imagine if I were to use this twice a day, what I would look like. One time a day has been enough. Yeah. I mean, this is great. And I just realized that between step 1 and step 2, you're supposed to wait 2 minutes. But I feel like it advertises this treatment as a 2-minute treatment, and it's not. So, it is what it is. I love doing this in the morning, because you can put makeup on after and not feel like you reversed everything you did. I've done that a couple times in the previous videos. I've done this usually at night just because I do not have a life. But I've also done it in the morning to apply makeup to kind of see how my makeup goes on. If I notice my makeup kind of like sweating off my skin or any of that, and I haven't. My makeup actually stays on better with this. I think because the products are able just to work, you know? And just like that, woo, glowing skin. I'm so excited. I love now doing Instagram videos, even more so without makeup on, because I feel like I have just this like radiant glow, and it works. I'm so happy that I did that product test for 31 days. I will be using these for the rest of my life, 100%, hands down. Check it out. This is how you get a glow up at home, and radiant skin is super easy. All you gotta do is commit to it. Skincare is a job. Self-care is so important. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe. See you soon.